Hey everybody, this is Miss Kitzman. I am a 6th grade math teacher at Eckstein Middle School and a 7th grade math teacher at Hamilton International Middle School. And this is my YouTube channel where I am posting videos on how to do the try-its from the Pearson website. Or if you have questions about some things and multiple people have the same question, I'm also using this station to post responses, so please check it out. The way that you get to your class, because everything that I'm posting here except for this is unlisted, so go to your Schoology account and click on the materials section and then click on the COVID folder, and then there will be a folder in there called YouTube Playlists. Click it. And all the chapters that we cover are listed there, and you can click on one of those chapters, and that's how you can get into the playlist to see the videos. So I hope everybody's doing well. I miss you like crazy. It is super, super hard to teach from my living room, and I wish that we could be back together. So take care, everybody.